Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am making a white paper greeting card for Grandparents' Day. For this, take an A4 paper, fold it into half, take a circular lid and draw a circle. Then cut along the circle as shown. Then take a ruler and a pencil and mark at 2.5 cm intervals. Draw lines as shown and make small hearts at the bottom using a black ball pen. I am going to color it using different colors. Next I am going to write Happy Grandparents' Day in the middle. And inside you can write whatever message you want. Here I am writing, Dear Grandparents, your presence in our lives is a blessing beyond words. May your day be filled with all the happiness in the world. Then I am drawing a border and also making small hearts at the bottom. I am also going to decorate the circle in front as shown. And that's it, our Grandparents' Day card is now ready. I hope you all liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video very soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.